You can make your own lava lamp using stuff you probably have lying around the kitchen and learn a bit about science while doing it. The things you'll be using are vinegar, a glass jar, a glass beaker, vegetable oil, color, and LED tap light. Place light on the table. Next, place the jar on the light. Open up the baking soda packet by cutting it. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in the jar and level it with a spoon. In a separate glass jar, pour some vinegar into it and mix the color in the vinegar. Add vegetable oil into the jar having baking soda in it. Now pour the color vinegar into the oil. Density of the vinegar is 1.0056 gram per cubic centimeter. And the density of the vegetable oil varied between 0.9043 and 0.9197 grams per cubic centimeter. Vinegar is more dense than oil, therefore it drops down. Vinegar and oil are immiscible and insoluble in each other because vinegar is polar and oil is non-polar in nature. As the vinegar falls through the oil to the bottom of the bottle, it reacts with the baking soda to make carbon dioxide gas. These bubbles of carbon dioxide attach themselves to the colored vinegar and cause them to float over the surface. When the bubbles pop, the color sinks back to the bottom of the bottle but does not mix in oil. Lava lamp is ready to go. It is long lasting due to the chemical reactions happening in it. For more interesting videos, do subscribe to our channel.